When troubleshooting your HTP water heater, proper diagnosis is essential for safe and effective repairs. We'll cover the most common issues and how to identify them systematically. Safety must always be your first priority. Before inspecting any water heater component, you must turn off the power or gas supply to prevent accidents. Power-related problems are among the most common issues. Start by checking your circuit breaker to ensure it hasn't tripped. Then verify the unit is receiving proper electrical supply. Error codes are your water heater's way of communicating specific problems. Each code corresponds to a particular issue that needs attention. Error E1 indicates flame failure, meaning the burner flame has been lost during operation. This could be due to gas supply issues or a faulty flame sensor. Error E5 indicates overheating, which is a serious safety concern. This typically requires immediate attention and may involve checking the temperature relief valve. Error E7 indicates a gas valve error, while E9 points to circulation faults. These require checking gas pressure and water flow respectively. Thermostat problems often cause inconsistent water temperatures. Check that the thermostat is properly set and responding to temperature changes. Regular monthly inspections are crucial for preventing major issues. Look for signs of damage, rust, corrosion, and ensure all vents are clear of obstructions. Remember, when in doubt, always consult a qualified technician. Proper diagnosis is the first step towards safe and effective water heater repair. When your HTP water heater encounters problems, there are several quick fixes and preventative measures you can take to restore proper operation and prevent future issues. For error 11 ignition failure, start by cleaning the igniter carefully. Check your gas supply and pressure using the regulator shown here. A frozen regulator can also cause ignition problems, especially in cold weather. If these steps don't resolve the ignition failure, it's time to call a qualified technician, as the issue may require professional diagnosis and repair. A pulsing noise in UFT boilers can indicate several issues. The most common causes include a broken intake flap, clogged heat exchangers, or gas regulator problems affecting proper combustion. Regular maintenance is crucial for HTP water heater longevity. Drain your water heater periodically to remove mineral buildup and debris. This simple step removes sediment, extends equipment lifespan, and improves efficiency. Hard water significantly accelerates sediment buildup, as shown in this comparison. Areas with hard water require more frequent draining and maintenance to prevent efficiency loss. Proper venting is the most important safety device on any boiler system. It removes dangerous combustion gases and prevents carbon monoxide buildup. Vents must remain unobstructed and should be inspected monthly for any blockages. Know when to call qualified professionals. Contact a technician for persistent error codes, unusual noises you cannot identify, any gas leaks or odors, visible corrosion or component damage, and all installation or major repair work. Remember, safety comes first. Never attempt gas-related work yourself. Proper installation and service by qualified professionals are essential for safe and efficient operation of your HTP water heater system. Following these fast fixes and preventative measures will help keep your HTP water heater running efficiently and safely. Regular maintenance and knowing when to call professionals are key to long-term reliable operation.